Okay, so we just need to clean up the calipers now. I've removed the bleed nipple, which is completely trashed, which I've ordered some new ones. With pads removed, it's got an old brake hose from bikes that's been laying around for a while, spares. What we're going to do is going to try to blow it out with a bit of air. Just going to just get a pair of mole grips. Put this in. There's my air gun. Let's see if we can get it. Yep, don't do that. There's a lot of crap in there. Go a bit better. Just going to get it slightly tight. Hopefully now I won't squish myself in the face with old brake oil. Well, that came up pretty quick. Wasn't expecting that many. Don't come out that quick. What we'll do. Well, that is out now. So what we can do, give it a clean and a polish. And then slide that in. Push that in gently, stroke we can. There we go. That's in. So what we'll do, we'll stick this in there. And we'll gently do it. That's the next one. Don't think we need that much pressure. Slide that in, push that in as we can straight. Seals look pretty good. Looks like these were being rebuilt just not long ago, to be fair. There we go. Slide that in. Ooh. There we go. Try 4 bar. Oh, and that one's out. Yeah, you can see that one's a bit manky. They're all stainless steel ones by the looks of it, so they're in good nick. Clean below, bit of brake fluid around it, pop it back in. They've all been wiped down and cleaned off, so I can push them all in flush now and give them a good clean off, ready to paint. So here we have the rear axle and all the ancillaries. I'm just going to strip this down and give it a bit of a clean. So not much to it really, we just put them all in line, clean it one by one and then put it back together. Masked off now. It's been cleaned with paraffin and degreaser. Obviously still a bit dirty in there, but that's fine and dandy. Now we're going to use some, and then we'll spray paint and give it a spray. Got one coat of that on there. Nice black sparkle. So we'll wait for that to dry and do another coat. In the meantime, we will get this masked up and spray this. sparkle. A bit of sparkle and then just plain black. Okay, so we are now going to look at stripping the carbs and making sure they're clean and working okay. So just making sure I've got some bits and pieces to put the carb sections on. Start by taking out the screws. Carefully. That's two of them off. Jet. Okay, so now to put all the jets back in once they've been cleaned. I can see through them, and the carbs have been up jetted. I've put them all in order.